look at these gun sounds. Here shit.
Hey man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ceophil back with another lit video, man. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, today we gonna be getting females' numbers, basically, you know what I'm saying? Silently, like out the way. So basically just silent riz, you know what I'm saying? We at Target, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like this video idea, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We just trolling, you know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna see this at Walmart? Let me know in the comment section down below. But at the end of the video, we're gonna see who got the most riz, who can get the most numbers, like without saying too much, you know what I'm saying? So like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you new, you know what I'm saying? Oh, one more thing. You already know what to do.
Oh man, hey, pulling on man, hey. Today, as you feel said, we seeing who got the best island riz unspoken. As y'all seen that clip back there, I'm already ready, man. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm gonna take the most dubs.
This matters, of course. You know, we just having fun.
Competitive spirit today. But yeah, get into it. Subscribe to the channel on Road 2K.
That's all I gotta say. Bye.
Hey man, so currently right now we just out here looking. As you can see, it's nobody, you know what I'm saying? So we looking for the vibes, man. We need to find these vibes so I can silently, see what I'm saying? Put your phone in my number. I'm hit you later. Simple. You feel me? But stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna leave y'all wait too long. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Excuse me, I have a question. I ain't supposed to be talking though, but how old are you? 17. Never mind. Epic fail, she's 17. Hey man, as y'all can see, we ain't getting the results that we looking for, so we finna make a smooth transition and we finna see y'all from here to Walmart. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fuck shit. I guess we at Walmart with it then, you know what I'm saying? It go. Let me grab one.
I got a girlfriend.
You got a girlfriend?
Yeah. And you look like a baby.
I just hit 21.
I'm so 21. I can go to any store, Walmart, Walgreens, Apple store, anything.
She say she like girls. Shit, I like girls too. On to the next. How you doing? What's your name? My name Phil. Nice to meet you. I'm gonna text you. Hey. Big W's in the chat, man. That's how it's supposed to be done. Big W's in the chat, you know what I'm saying? Big W's in the chat. Yes, Sirski.
Oh, me? No. I'm talking to somebody. I'm talking to somebody. Like, huh? Me? I'm talking to somebody. Instagram? I can give you my Instagram, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna talk on the walk up. You feel me?
What's your name? You need to tell me your name.
Yeah, hoop dream. I used to have hoop dreams, you know what I'm saying? See, if it wasn't for the YouTube stuff, I'll be in the league right now. Don't at me though. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Oh, I ain't finna dunk, but you know what I'm saying? Hey!
Yeah.
That's in the intro for sure. Oh my god.
See what I'm saying? Like I really do this hoop stuff. I didn't tell y'all, so just because I make that shot, make sure y'all like the video.
Like the video.
Just like that. I can go 2 for 2 if y'all want me to.
Yeah,
Hey, they must thought I was sweet or something. They must thought I was sweet. Oh, got him.
And that's when we run.
Like the video, bro. Like the video. Like the video.
Video. Like the video. Like the video. Like the video.
As y'all can see, we got dubs. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We took an L. Okay, each of us took an L. But we also gonna take that dub with it, you know what I'm saying? But walking and talking, moonwalking in them Calabasas, you feel me? But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, bro.
You seen her? You seen it?
So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and do it. See, we ain't even try to do that, see what I'm saying? But we doing it anyway. Bruh, hey, bruh, if you set me up, bruh. Hey, bruh, you talking about walk? You, on my soul. Hey, what, gang? Hey, bruh. Hey, bro, all that setting me up shit, bro. All that setting me up shit, bro, is not acceptable. See what I'm saying? You on the phone though, so.
Fuck it.
You know what I'm saying? It's cool. You know what I'm saying? We can't win them all, so.
Fuck it.
We just gonna end this clip right here. All right, y'all, man. That's gonna wrap up the video, man. Y'all guys enjoyed this funny, lit content, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Leonard got a dub. I got a dub. TJ got that dub. You know what I'm saying? But hey, let me in the comment section, who got the best dub? Like, was it 1, 2, or 3? Or 1, 2, 3? Or 1, 2, 3? See what I'm saying? It can go either way, you know what I'm saying?
1, 2, 3, or 3, 2, 1, or 2, 1, 3.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Like, subscribe. Turn on post notifications. We out.
Yeah, I'm proud of everyone doing their shit and not you, girl, huh? I'm talking everyone, yeah, cause you fucking my move, girl, yeah. Came back in this bitch, I ain't know they ain't ready. Got pride of that buster, my bust up her belly. They all these dick beats coming back.